hear some man up in your blood clot yard, you run go up there. You run go up there quick and blood clot fast. How the fuck you take so long?
A man did up there? A man mate?
Huh?
A man did up there?
No, when he hears a bumbo clot, man bring gal up in your yard, he never take ras clot long for run go up there. So the fuck him a take so long for come from all that?
Never ask Andy this, I never know Jayden. I tell him something different now. So him in a family, you know.
Jabass, remember so we don't say nothing, you know.
Guys, anybody see her? I don't want over them.
It's come like a hide and fuck and a whisper.
I'm gonna get Chanel up here. Me keep on tell you guys that I'm waiting on Chanel at Dragga. Hold on them. Me not see Dragga yet.
I don't Dragga. I don't blood clot Dragga. So much we can hold over here.
Yeah, man, make it.
Alright, Dragga.
Yeah, Dragga come with you, Dragga case.
Yeah, she'll come up. She'll take too long to come up.
I had to go over this.
So Dragga.
I pray.
My brother.
Tell me when she on. Tell me when she come.
You know, sir, me no want to go in too quick enough, you see, but just explain yourself.
I'm tired to explain myself, you know, but alright, me can't say yo me wrong for bring the girl on the bed, you know. But me never bring the girl on the bed fi go do.
No, yeah, tell Dragga. So Dragga, where bring the girl on the bed for sing church song? Yo!
No, we did not get ready to go somewhere.
That end me bumbo clock life, you know, because I can't tell us so. Look here. Me not gonna really tell us so today. Me tell you the truth because listen, me grand finale, me don't know. Uno go and do for uno thing. I do uno go mad people over here, you know. What you say? You never can find the baby do what?
The girl not even take off her clothes.
So when she went go take off her clothes?
We did not get ready. The girl come and me had to come wait for me, bro.
And when did I go?
We did not go Airbnb.
Go fuck. So your baby mother never there? We're not there?
No, me only bring out the girl cause her Madda's day and me say, yo, forward we do your mommy and go somewhere.
So we can never bring out your baby mother?
We never bring her.
Your baby mother did that?
No, Jayden, it's so you know see me carry the girl go pool with we. Me don't know if you see it. You ever see me around the girl when the girl did it? You see me 2 weeks outside of the girl like say me and her.
No, me never really see you. Me never really see you with her still enough father. You did over there, you did far from her, you did there beside me, cause one at time me did a prayer.
Alright. I said me did a watch Uno.
Yeah.
Me never see her.
So honey, I saw it go.
Madda's day.
Huh?
I saw it go, honey.
But what? See who?
I saw it go with Dragga him.
You know, say mommy and hip hop cause mommy roll and every time I call mommy and tell mommy say me I try left that girl.
What you say, mommy be? What you say a while ago, boy?
No, me say me go talk for yourself.
Oh.
Mommy a 2 month cutlass.
Me know now your mother. But
Listen to me, Dragga. Let me tell you something. You hear me, bro?
Yeah, you man.
Oh, you not hear me? Look here now. Alright, so you hear baby man, so not together no more. But out of love and respect, you bring her up on Mother's Day. Good job. So you make she know say you're not together anymore and she don't live with you, you live by yourself.
Clearly. No. You say live together and live by myself. And that me I try fight for, bro. That me I try fight for the girl no one left.
So who for bed?
For her bed, so that she will take up her things them, make me bring in my things them. Simple.
Okay. Your arm want shape still, but alright.
Only thing she can come.
But Taj, Chanel say still I get look like the look of something, you know. Chanel say still I touch up with something.
Daniel go say that. Cause Chanel want me look bad. Chanel
So,
go
so,
to that.
Me
so
a go mash up a party.
you understand Chanel still a touch up.
Me a go
When
mash up a
last,
party.
B,
when
pass me
last,
shirt. Pass me shirt.
Annie, me a go mash up a party, yeah.
when last you touch up.
Annie,
Hmm?
me a go mash up a party, yeah.
But can't say 1 week and add now because she did the
Jabass, may I listen to you?
outside.
Me a go mash up a party, yeah, Annie. You know why me a go mash up a party,
White
Annie?
shirt in my bag.
Let me tell you. Dragga,
Yo.
No, Uber house.
how that Dragga? Dragga,
Oh
are you
my.
man that Dragga? What a girl determined she not left.
Whoa, new girl, Jesus. But
So she not left
Dragga.
Dragga. Dragga, let me tell you so.
Show you smart up a yard and Chanel go see.
Chanel, let me
Chanel
call
go see,
Chanel.
Chanel go see.
Wait, let me call Chanel.
Who
Wait.
not call Chanel?
Chanel.
Dragga, look here, Dragga, come here, look here, Dragga, look here.
Hey boy, you have girl up there
Hold
now.
on.
Sweet. You have girl up there again. Run go up there, Chanel. Come. Hey boy, have girl up there.
Dragga,
Hold on, there. I put on a shirt here.
Don't hide.
Dragga, look here. Annie, listen to me now, I want to listen to me good. You are Jayden, Dragga. Dragga, want to
Hold on.
share listen to me good now. Share listen to me good now. You see you, Dragga?
Yo.
You now go sit here, you know. You now go chat to your mother over here with. Me know I hear nothing more about your baby
You not
mother. You
chat
didn't go
with mother car.
You didn't go record that over internet because your baby mother, you have to respect your baby mother. Like always. Me now go sit down over here and discuss you and your baby mother.
All right, Jabass, you go on then. No?
That
Yeah, you go on then.
baby mother.
Annie, tell me the truth, Annie.
Jabass, you go on.
No, Jabass, no, me tell him, I'm a talk to him off address him baby mother. Do not disrespect him baby mother. Jabass, me go to the level, I'm a talk to him, and me tell him, said, leave the house and give it to him baby mother. Two child for her.
Just disrespect me baby mother.
You have two child for
You
him.
wish
Jabass,
me by
you
telling
go
us
on.
more I left the girl. I understand. When wish we me disrespect me baby like by telling us more I leave.
I tell you, me now why you do it, you know. Don't do it. No, you do it
Yeah,
for the
you know
next.
why you
Nah, go do
did
that.
and no time for
amount of things
Yeah,
the
don't
girl do
disrespect
and
her.
I mean not talk about it.
And me a baby mother, and me and him left, and me never come here, come go. You see me, and me and him go through hell.
You understand?
Yeah, but
So
as
why
she
you
push it, you
why
know.
you keep a
As she
principle?
push it, you know.
And put
Why
some
you-
respect for that name.
What? Me never know say I want top girl is do Dragga. As one gone, one born.
Member, sir. You're in my family, man.
But
Don't live like a Jayden. Cause I'm not end up with nothing.
No, seriously, Dad. Seriously,
you
right?
hear me?
Yeah, because she's online
Yeah, say,
right now.
who
She
first?
will come
Who
up.
first? No.
Jabass, she will come up, you know. She'll wait for you to talk to you guys also.
Yeah, me want to talk to him.
Yeah.
Me too.
No stop calling me bumbo clad phone no man.
And he and Dragga rock paper scissors coming and left.
Me not left neither. No,
Brother. I'm for the pan live and not call me. That makes
Oh,
sense.
me, really? All right, listen to me now. Finish that to Dragga. Cause me know
Hey,
me.
Dragga, so when me I say my bro,
Madda.
man and woman go through whole heap of beef, whole heap of problem, whole heap of war, over cussing, everything, bro. Just deal
Jabass.
with it the best way you can.
Jabass.
Yeah. I call him phone.
yeah, them a call me dog phone, brother.
My girl, call back my phone one more time and me I go block your blood clot. I mean, know you see me on bumbo clot live.
I have your mother. Chanel.
And Chanel,
Oh, I knew one.
stop calling my phone, brother. Me depend on the line. I can't even talk in peace, brother. Hey, Jabass.
Yeah, full of
You say, the girl come on YouTube, come put out one bag of lie, you know. Say me beat her and something. You ain't have to do that. You ain't have to go up on the media go tell one bag of lie. So she if you put me down. Right now, everybody up on your side. You know. I me no blame nobody.
I saw you go a woman always get there. So that's why
Yeah, but me not play me.
That's why you have
But
to
you
protect
don't need
your
to go
team.
up on the media and tell one bag of lie.
Team, on a shoot on the double, please. A fight at 9,000 people over here now.
Catch your speed, guys.
Jabass at 10,000 people. Where Jabass?
Thank you, baby. Thank you, guys.
Nah, give me nothing.
Double tap on it, guys. This
Listen, so we know what you say always go. So look here now. Just make sure you say you. Don't do what they say you do. I think about your reputation and everything. Because I'm always on the woman's side. That's what I'm sure about.
that may I say and think about it.
Now
child.
you cannot win.
Use the double, use the double, use the double.
Why somebody may say come over here and China can't win and see him there. I don't know what happened.
Use it double, guys. Use it double. Thank you, baby.
Double chat, double team.
Use the double, use the double, use the double. Double, guys, double that. Double.
Most likely, let me tell
Double
you
the
this.
team.
If you be a man, right, you just move on, take care of your kids, them, and just start over fresh. Even give her the place. Make
Double
sure
that, guys, double that, guys. Put me in the ranking.
You which place? I want to
Me
go.
no problem with that.
But remember, say
No,
she
no
not
problem with
do
that.
that. Me I say she
Hey boy,
can't
tell me
give her
that
the
don't
place.
leave yourself homeless.
You know, nobody feel like say I did fear place. I never fear place.
So who rent the place?
Me rent the place.
So you're a place on fear bed, man.
Yeah. So you go.
Yeah, but
So
me I
she if you
say-
take out her bed and make you work the place the rightful way.
No, you can't try to work on something.
One.
You can't try to work on
And that
something.
one.
No,
I
they
like
are-
that.
Me.
They
Me
can't
never
work on
want-
something. Dragga, you can't debate with her. Work on something. Try again.
No.
you love me now?
Me no comfortable. Me
Love you.
can't.
Let me tell you, Dragga, you go feel away the Dragga. It's when you just start see somebody you think you like, you go feel away the bro.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I'm gonna feel that way there, bro.
Long before.
Retard, Jabass. Retard, Jabass. You're gonna feel that way there. Until
Long
you
before,
find out
long
who the person
before.
they're really big.
Long before me even talk to nobody. Me just not have a...
Talk,
Yeah,
I
guys.
feel it.
We are begging you to tap the screen, guys. With the ears so in the chat, guys. Double tap,
Just
guys.
off the ears.
Everybody the ears so the stagnant and look the chat. It's not moving, guys. Double tap, guys.
Yo, so
More than she.
Alright, you keep me picking them more than she.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to get yours with you. Okay.
But you see, chew me and her not talk, no.
But
She
the
not
reason
gonna
why
make
she
that
keep me
man.
picking him more because she work and you don't work, so she go work and you watch your kids.
They rotate
bright
together.
ass flag.
Listen to me. Jabass,
bright.
Jabass. We can say something.
Oh.
We can say something because
No, ask Annie, I don't know. Ask me a question.
Me work. I just this week, me not gonna work.
Alright, so it why they work, why they rotate, why I don't know if you say
they
why-
rotate. Jabass, they rotate. Right?
feel like they want somebody else in the family, like.
You ever hear about call
What's
center
feeling?
girls? You ever hear about call center people?
Honest, they want somebody to watch the picnic. I wonder if TikTok police could help with that.
The ramp with my man.
Maybe go take up Annie's husband say
Nah,
you
no
watch
problem.
that.
You think my man a baby
Bring
zero?
them at daycare
How
and
old
pick
are
them up at daytime.
Oh, fuck me a song boy.
Husband.
Hey, hey boy Kevin.
You make it
Hey
so
boy
easy.
Kevin, go away now man.
Watch out.
Make you stay, watch love, Lord.
As me calling him, saying they have to build
Come on,
class.
make them stay. Look at them. No, look at them. Remember, say that season they got already. I do season now.
Oh, okay.
We not press no we wine here, so.
All right. So what is it?
just make
Guys,
you
no,
take
Jabass, be real. Right? I think.
All right, listen up, bro. You have to learn how to co-parent, bro. Don't live like a dog. You're not good for the people, bro.
And
Me and my
she, if you know,
left, bro. And me and I still have that parental bond,
You
bro.
learn to do that. Because I don't have a problem with that.
Bro, look at them, bro. Woman that always up in the field when they know say you have a next woman. So you have to just be the man and mature brothers know say you're feeling shit, you know, and do your part and about to argue with our follower.
It's a man this
Jaga.
is the reason with the Tajay. It's a man this, you know. Right?
You see me, I say, my dog.
Tell me how
Jaga.
Listen, yeah, it's a man, but him older than you. You understand me? Just listen. Come here, I may tell you the same thing, but you never listen to me.
So who tell you say me not go take care of my with them?
No, man, you're going to do that. We know you're going to do that. But when me I say, bro, you are going to do that because you've been not doing. So when me I say, a woman find out, say, our baby father, when she chat to her long, gone to a different woman, she got in her feelings and her
Yes,
vibe.
and she a go talk about say she no want nothing from me and this, but she can't tap that.
Don't, you never take nothing from her. Make sure you give the people.
No, and she a get nothing. I pick me them I get it.
Yeah, so you can't tell about she no want nothing from you for your picnic. If she try
15
that,
rows, 15
if you
rows.
try that, you
Guys, 15
you make
rows,
your mother
chat.
Alright.
deal with it.
15 rows,
Alright,
chat. 15
Dragga.
rows, chat. 15 rows, chat. Come on,
Nah, like
guys.
Dragga. But Dragga, you knew,
Come on, guys. 15,
you
15.
man body round.
You know you they go and see that man.
And that
You
you
know
want
you go
here.
and see that.
Round, man, I tell you. Round, my boy.
You know you go and see that, Jayden.
Remember you have to make me proud, you know, Dragga.
Me see why you want run out the baby mother. That boy, that one they
You don't
run.
run our road.
And that you do. To find new machine, you think a piece and see it, you wait.
Me don't run our road because a long time.
Wait until the machine out the aisle.
Guys,
Wait.
tell me if Chanel up. Tell me if Chanel there.
But they have to see what going on. You can blood clot and the boy, you understand it? I bet you
Guys,
fix
tell
your
me
all. I
Chanel
bet you
alive.
fix your all. I bet you
Chanel
fix your
up alive.
all. I bet you fix your all car in how we
Guys,
fix.
tell me Chanel if I like.
Double chat.
Come on, guys. Use a double.
Guys, double, use it double, use it
Double,
double,
guys.
use it double. Yes.
Double. Guys,
Nah.
shoot on the double, guys.
She is. Thank you, Queen.
Shoot on the double. Shoot on the double.
She did
Guys,
it.
use
She
my
did it.
double. Guys, use my double, guys. Use my double.
Thank you, baby. What?
Use my double now, guys. Use my double now.
Use it double, chat.
And I feel that this a
Me not like you,
relationship
Jayden. You see, for me, may I tell you the truth, how I feel. I think Phil said him should have just leave the house and give to the baby mother, make sure have everything in the house with the 2 babies, and him just start over fresh. Because I remember saying, them have history, them have 2 child together. You understand me? And him as a man can just get somewhere comfortable for himself and make sure have the place and take care of her kids.
So anyway, where am I go?
But a man in can go rent somewhere else, Jabass.
When am I going to do that, Annie? When am I going to do that? To rent somewhere else and they have to go turn on a mind picking or something. Think about that. Some
better them try.
Some solution of it, but you're going to say in worthless now because him have your parent, take care of yourself plus picnic. It's hard.
It's hard for true, man. It better. Shani just knows that she get one and just take it, man. And she done it in our same way. And that alone I come with.
You know me like sorry. I just like
But no, say this sweet, you know.
no, Jabass.
And some fear episode and season is sweet, me too.
Jabass, it's terrible. You know, I couldn't worry about this while ago. Jayden, don't fuck up, you don't tap it eyes. Don't say nothing more.
Jayden, no fit your advice.
Alright. But that's the best advice, bro, because what you gonna do? Start over your life just cause of that, bro.
How what you want to do? You want to live like a Jayden Dragga? You know, healthy, you go mark down, and then you go swell up.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
You think I wait him I put on?
Girl.
I know wait him I put on. A pressure swell that. See, if he say I wait him I put on, a pressure swell up that.
Guys, thank you so much. Big up to everybody. Double tap, guys. Guys, thank you for the gift. Big up to my number.
Bro, tell the girl where didn't know, say, listen, me and my baby mother and me and my children, then we stay at the house. So here, when you go to the fair, you want to see you, we go out and we go about business. And the co-parent at the house, you have to grind, you have to deal one another. When things when things get better, things pick up, then you can move and separate it. Listen, my girlfriend, and you and my woman, but stay at your home when we meet up, and we fix up and try something do good. That's it.
No matter what, don't put your hand, don't put your hand.
Yeah, because you can't make this is an announcement.
You know, you see when me tell you something, mommy, you don't believe me. Because me tell you something, don't put me on that girl. And 4 other man did it. 4 man go turn up and watch me a beat 1 woman.
Me do something. Alright, if me wrong, me sorry. Me listen to what you say. And me just say
me don't like her. Because me realize the channel wicked, you know. The girl wicked, brother. The girl fling down in friggin' self a gang like make it look like somebody did a beat her.
How old she be?
Channel older than
20 somebody.
26.
How old are you? Also.
Young boy, them are going with things, boy.
I know you may talk on him. I'm a friend.
Channel fling down himself a ground, brother. Only thing you do
all of that he fling himself a ground.
Half a block half of me.
Stay run?
No, me sugar because my sister had to copy black.
No, you have to run.
And that me tell him, say, Mr. Rona, I
But she come with the one bag of excitement and nice in the scheme. Me have to.
Where's that? Hold on, where's that?
Only thing come to my mind say we sugar out there.
Jayden, you are going dead in a pussy, I tell you.
God, that sound familiar.
What's on funny?
You scheme.
Jayden, what sound familiar?
No, it's the scheme. The
Tell the
scheme.
security so don't let her in next time.
Guys, double tap.
Come, Chad.
Alright.
They feel live good though. When feel live good,
Especially if we say God.
and I tell you no fuck when feel live good. Chanel, the man saying no why your girl accept it and love him. And love no one they for not agree. Co-parent. Only thing last save her salvation. So you know why she still love you? You don't love her anymore, Chanel have sense. The boy know why you love him. New man a better man out there. If I saw you want to.
I'm a son, my big son.
So if you know why you don't run down the boy, you know why you Chanel. Have sense.
17 roads. 17 roads. So Chanel for life.
17.
The boy
Yeah, she
don't want
depend
you.
like
Jaga don't want you. Low Jaga will find one next new Jaga.
After this, we are there.
Jaga find one new girl with bigger body. Go find one brown man than Jaga. Argument done.
17 year old child. Come on, guys.
Jaga wait until you find out say Lash. Chat to no follow Lash. Everybody follow Lash. Wait the Lash. Jaga.
Guys, come on, guys.
When you find out say when she find one new body, you know, but I vex and her.
Come on, guys. It's a run-out team.
Make sure. You go say that no until you see it and hear about it.
Hey, when you hear about it, and you say me. Come on, guys. Use
Nothing
a
wrong with that.
Double chat.
Use a double, guys. Use a double. Guys, you know, now shoot, you know.
Guys, anybody have a gloves? Anybody have a gloves, chat?
My bro is here. My bro.
Guys, you know, now shoot, bro.
Catch them back, my bro. Catch them back, my bro. My bro is here. Catch them back. Everybody follow my bro right there. Follow my bro right there.
Thank you.
Follow my bro.
Use it double, guys. Use it double.
Guys,
Two line
Use
catching back chat. Two line catching
it
back.
double, chat. Use it double.
Guys, if you use a glove,
Help me, chat. Help him. Help chef. Help me, bro. Help Angela. Do. I don't follow him. I don't follow him. Everybody ready to shoot. Want to take back number one chat.
Guys, we got other now. We can play this game. I play one here other now. Guys, we'll push it. Guys, we not catch it.
I give you a follow, bro. Look at no phone and joke aside, my dog.